What do you have, Andy?
What do you have?
A car, a swing,
What fun? Show mommy. Show mommy. What is it?
a swing, a car,
Isn't that just what you wanted?
yeah. Open it.
Okay.
And who got that for you?
Santa?
No, Grandma and Grandpa K.
Grandma.
They're
and
kind of
Grandpa
like
Ken.
Santa, aren't they?
What do you say? Look at mommy and you say. What do you,
No, you say thank you, Grandma,
What-
Grandpa
what do
K.
you say? You say thank you.
Thank you, okay.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Well, let's open it up.
You want to open another one real quick?
Let's open up another one real quick, okay?
Which one?
That one with the reindeer on it.
Let's do this one, okay?
Hey, look at this one.
Well, here, hold on. Open this one.
Okay.
This one's also from Grandma and Grandpa K, okay? Keep pulling. You got it? Keep pulling. Up here. Keep going. Here, close for you. What is it?
Oh, this.
What is it?
A piano.
Yeah. You like
You-
the piano? Look, you can sit down.
You have your
and
own
play.
piano
You
now.
have your own piano. Isn't
Hey,
that
look, open it.
What do you say to Grandma and Grandpa K? Look at Mommy and what do you say?
Thank you.
Can you look at Mommy when you say it?
Thank you.
And tell them Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
You think Santa Claus is coming to town?
Better watch out. You better not cry. You better not post. I'm telling you what. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping.
You're awake. He knows been bad or good.
For good this day. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not post. I'm telling you what. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees
He's making a list.
make your list. The second one will find out who's not your list. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. Then when you're awake, you know you prepare our good Christmas day. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not post. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Good job, Andy.
Merry Christmas, Andy.
Merry Christmas.
Say, I love you, Grandma, Grandpa K.
I love you, Grandma, K, and Grandpa K.
And Susan too.
Yeah, and Susan.
Thanks again, and we'll be talking to you soon.